how to use and set up a jam session in Spotify. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy option you see there. Further, tap on the privacy and social option and then scroll down to the social features tab. You will see the option for jam access with Bluetooth, so simply tap on the enable option you see there and you will then need to make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone for the Spotify app. You will also need to make sure that your friends nearby have enabled their Bluetooth too, and you can then start playing anything and your friends nearby with Bluetooth enabled will be invited to your jam automatically. So, this is how you can use and set up a jam session in Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.